And well, after the Congress and the BJP, now Captain's Party, the Punjab Lok Congress, are also seeking postponement of elections in view of Guru Ravidas Jayanti. The Punjab Lok Congress saying that it has supported the demand for postponing elections in Punjab by a week in view of the Guru Ravidas Jayanti that is on the 16th of February. Punjab Vidhan Sabha elections have been scheduled on 14th Feb. Tens of thousands of people from Punjab visit Banaras every year around Guru Ravidas Jayanti. Keeping that in mind, the party General Secretary Kamal Saini, in a letter to the Election Commission of India, has said since elections are scheduled 2 days before Guru Ravidas Jayanti, many more voters may be denied the chance to exercise their vote as they will be away to Banaras for the annual pilgrimage. The Punjab Lok Congress leader observed it should not be difficult for the Election Commission to reschedule the dates of Punjab as everything else will remain the same. Further, he pointed out there are millions of followers of Guru Ravidas Ji living in Punjab and large number from amongst them go for the pilgrimage to Banaras on the birth anniversary of the Guru. He also added this is the demand from almost all political parties in Punjab and the Election Commission should not have any problem in doing so. And with that, Amandeep also joins us on the phone line. Amandeep, with that, almost all political parties have come out and spoken in one voice as far as postponement of the elections due to this reason is concerned.
Well, very true, Christine. The point is that Dalit voters are dominating with 32% in Punjab, and that is the reason the entire Dalit community will celebrate Ravidas Jayanti from 10th of December till 16th of December. This is how the celebrations continue for entire week, and even if most of the people will be traveling to Banaras for the celebrations as well, and that is the reason if the polling will take place on 14th of February, then it is not possible that around 20 lakh people can vote one together and even to make the government. So that is the reason. First, Chief Minister Channi has written to Election Commission. Again, BJP writes the same with the same grounds, and now Punjab Lok Congress, that is Captain's Party, writing to Election Commission of India with similar grounds, and all in one voice with one demand to postpone the elections, and in fact the election date should be dragged after 16th of February so that entire celebration would take place in after.
Absolutely. All parties speaking in one voice as far as this particular demand is concerned. Subhash Sharma, BJP State General Secretary, is also with us on the phone line. Mr. Sharma, rarely does this happen that in an election season you have political parties coming out and raising a particular demand on the same lines, but this one seems to be valid as cited by several political parties. What is your party's stand and why is this of utmost importance, sir?
Actually, it's not any political demand. It is the demand of people of Punjab. There are millions of followers of Shri Guru Ravidas Ji Maharaj, whose birth anniversary will fall on 16th of February. And about 2 million people from Punjab supposed to visit Kashi Banaras to celebrate the Gurpurab, the birth anniversary of Shri Guru Ravidas Ji Maharaj. So those people would not be able to cast their vote. So that's why people of Punjab are demanding that it should be postponed for few days, so that millions of people may cast their votes.
Thank you for that, Mr. Sharma. Thank you for speaking to us on Republic TV. Mr. Pritpal Singh of the Punjab Lok Congress is also with us on the phone line. Pritpal ji, what is it that the Punjab Lok Congress is saying? We just read out the detailed statement. Looks like they too are saying that the election dates must be postponed given the anniversary of Guru Ravidas and how several pilgrims do go to Banaras in this particular time.
देखिए मैम, एक्चुअली अभी सुभाष जी भी वही बात कर रहे थे और जो अपने पंजाब के सीएम उन्होंने भी ये मांग रखी है। एक्चुअली 16 तारीख को भगत रविदास जी का गुरुपुरब है। उस दिन हमारे यहाँ से लाखों की तादाद में बनारस में लोग उनके दर्शनों के लिए वहाँ पे पहुँचते हैं और वहाँ पे वो पर्व मनाते हैं। तो इसलिए 14 तारीख को अगर इलेक्शन पंजाब में होती है तो जो लोग यहाँ से गए होंगे लाखों की तादाद में, तो वो अपना जो वोटिंग राइट है उससे वंचित हो जाएंगे। सो वी आर डिमांडिंग ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ कैप्टन इवन बीजेपी और अकाली दल से युक्त इन तीनों ने मिलकर इस चीज की मांग करी और मेरे हिसाब से सारा पंजाब जितनी भी पोलिटिकल पार्टी है इस चीज के साथ सहमत है। बीएसपी इसके साथ सहमत कल परसों में आ जाएगा, उनकी भी सहमति है। ये भगत रविदास जी का पर्व एक बड़ा पर्व है पंजाब के लोगों के लिए, इवन फॉर द टोटल इंडिया पीपल। बट हम उस अकॉर्डिंगली ये मांग कर रहे हैं कि इस चीज को पोस्टपोन कर दिए, इन द थर्ड फेज कर दीजिए, फोर्थ फेज में कर दीजिए। हमारी किसी भी पोलिटिकल पार्टी को इस चीज में दिक्कत नहीं होगी, बट एक एक वोट कीमती है और कोई भी आदमी अपना जो मतदान है उससे वंचित ना रह जाए। तो ये डिमांड पंजाब के लोगों के लिए और जो एक बड़ा पर्व है लोकतंत्र का उसके हित के लिए हमने ये मांग अपने इलेक्शन कमीशन से की है।
जी, एंड पंजाब लोक कांग्रेस अन्य पार्टीज की तरह प्रितपाल जी यही बोल रही है कि ये मुश्किल नहीं होना चाहिए, इट शुड नॉट बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द इलेक्शन कमीशन टू रीशेड्यूल द डेट्स। लेट्स सी व्हाट द EC response is to the same. For the moment, Pritpal ji, thank you for speaking to us on Republic TV.